So when we hit play, we are in the main menu, I believe, or no, set it up just to show you. We can delete this. So let's load the default map when we start the game to the game menu. So, and load it. We see our game HUD widget. We don't want to see inside the game menu, so we need to switch on the player stage we are in order to create our desired widgets. For that, we want to modify our player controller class, and he needs to know which state he is in from out of the game instance class. Let's see. He wants to read that value here. So, but we can leave it as public and provide a function in order to get this value. Let's say get player state. This one has an output, which is the out player state, and it is of kind enumeration player state. So now we are able to read that value when we call get instance cast to my game instance, and it's called get player state. Give us some space here. Now we can switch on that enum we get. So when we are in the game started, we want to see a main menu widget. So we can do it like here, or we can provide another function. Call it here create in-game widget, which is the same as before where I said create widgets. And now I want to add a new function which is called create game started widgets. So inside that we want to create a widget which is the main menu. Target is ourself. Sorry, this one is still staying here. We want to promote it to a variable, call it main menu, and then we want to get the main menu, toggle the visibility so that we are able to see it when we start the game. Bam. And then we want to add it to viewport. So create game started widget, connect those pins here, and if we are in game, we want to do this stuff here. Okay, so let's hit play and see what we get. We get the current player. We get the game menu running. So now we want to travel to the next level when we hit start game. I don't know if I already provided a function for that. Nope. So when we hit start game, add-on clicked, Then let's pretend there will be a little delay, to pretend there's some big loading epic stuff and so on. So then first I want to remove this widget from our viewport, but I can't do it in here. This is like a suicide, and suicide is a bad habit, and we want to do it inside the player controller, which holds the main menu widgets reference. Okay, so for that we need a new dispatcher event, which is called open new level. New level, and it gets an F name in level name. Open new level, call it, and the level would be example map, which is example map. Yeah. Okay, back to the main. No, we are already here. We call the event, and then we want to assign this event. Assign open new level. The target would be the created main menu, and then we want to remove the main menu from the parent, so it is not inside the drawing loop of our game HUD. And then we want to open a level. Open level. So let's see if that works. Yes. But now when I hit start game, I am in a new level here, but I'm still seeing this stuff here. This is why our player controller begin play is fired off before our level is loaded. So when I load a new level, the first which is created is a player controller. After that, the map is loaded, but the map says which player state our controller is in. So when I open a new level, this will be fired, and the enumeration would be still game started. So in order to prevent that, I want to make sure that I break this initialization of the player controller and load the level first. And this is what the delay is doing for us. We can see that when we hit event begin play, he's triggering the delay and he's running in the game menu map, event on begin play. And the same goes for the next level. So now let's try it again. Start new level, and we're in the new level here. Okay, I think that's it so far. We are moving on in the next part, so be patient and see you next time. Bye.